I don't like the way you talk.
Oh, yeah, ain't nothing in the cooler right now. My boy finna get it. There you go. I see him. My boy Larry, look at him.
What up, boy? Let's count them, y'all. Hold on.
1,
Oh,
2,
hey.
3,
Oh.
4. Yep. 5. 6. Man, that's a flounder.
What you know about that? What you know about that,
That's a
Pippin?
winner
What you
for
know
me.
about that?
Oh, man. Well, he ain't playing, y'all. My boy Larry with him, boy. Ooh.
Croaker for your ass? Another flounder for your ass? Back black?
Ooh, flounder,
hybrid?
black, brass, hybrid, striper.
Hold up, y'all. Grand finale coming out. Hold up.
Yes, sir. Boy, that boy don't play, boy.
That's them twins, boy.
My boy Larry don't play, boy. Ooh, boy, ooh. Boy, Larry, boy, you got some good supper in there, bro.
We're talking about you're gonna be part of this something, bro.
That's a big bass, boy. Ooh, what you think she a 10, 11,
What do you think, Ma? About 6, 7?
6, 7?
Maybe it's 7 8.
Man.
I'm sorry, they ain't care. Look. What you
them
know
doing?
about this, though, bro? What you fucking know about this on a
That's a
fucking
winner
jig,
for me.
bro? On a jig in fresh water.
And he hit it on the jig. I ain't never seen one that big.
That's a winner for. Oh, I've seen them bigger than
I
that.
ain't never seen one that big.
Yes, sir. I'm proud of this motherfucker right here, boy.
We've seen them this